Hello, welcome to the Click Experts, and today we're going to discuss how to find the max, the maximum, the minimum, and the average in a sequence of numbers on Excel. So if you look here, you can actually see that we have a short list payroll set up with the annual incomes for each of these individuals, and we want to find the maximum, the minimum, and the average. So let's jump right into it. When you want to find the max, we're going to put the max right here. We're going to click on the cell. We're going to hit equal M, and as you can see, a list of different functions for Microsoft Excel comes up. I'm going to choose MAX for the max. We're going to put a parentheses. We're going to go straight to the top here. Click, left click, hold, drag, let go. Hit the parentheses to close, and that is our maximum in this sequence of numbers. And as you can see, it's pretty easy right here that the maximum is $95,213. So next we want to find who's making the least. What's the minimum? So we'll do the same function. Choose that cell, hit equal M, and as you can see, for minimum we have MIN. We're going to hit the parentheses sign there. Go here to the top, click, drag, close parentheses, hit that, and the minimum comes up, which is $15,012. So here's next one we're going to do is going to be a little bit more advanced as far as finding out who makes the average. We want to actually know. I'm going to take all these numbers and divide it by the amount of people up there. So let's go to the next cell, hit that, hit equal sign, and then AVERAGE. We're going to hit the parentheses. We're going to click here, drag down, close parentheses, and our average between all of these employees is going to be $51,396.50. And that is how you find the maximum, the minimum, and the average on Excel.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all those who subscribe and donate. You make it possible for us to continue creating great videos for everyone. See you again soon.